Hey OTeam leaders! This is Shannon Cody, Assistant Dean for the College of Education, Health and Human Services. Today I'm going to be giving you a tutorial for working with new CEHHS students this summer during orientation. In the next few minutes, I will give you information about our college, the programs that CEHHS offers, working with our new students information, a test of your knowledge, and finally some contact information in case you have further questions. So let's get started. CEHHS has 3 schools: a School of Education, a School of Nursing, and a School of Health Sciences and Human Services that is a collection of departments and programs. There are 35 staff, 263 faculty, and over 4,300 active students in the college. CEHHS operates many programs: 9 undergraduate, 11 graduate, and 5 educational credential programs for a total of 25. It is important to note that 10 of these programs are in partnership with extended learning. The distinguishing features of CEHHS center around the specialized professional preparation that our programs offer, leading to high-demand careers. Programs are externally accredited by professional organizations that attest to the high-quality preparation of our graduates. Significant emphasis on clinical partnerships, also called field experiences, internships, and student teaching, require that we have strong partnerships with our local community. Schools, hospitals, clinics, nonprofits, these are the organizations where our students complete the experiential education components of their degrees. We also have a presence on the CSUSM satellite campus in Temecula, where we offer a program through nursing and kinesiology. Now let's walk through the specific programs that CEHHS offers. Our School of Education is led by Dr. Pat Stahl. The School of Education offers K-12 teaching credential programs for students that want to pursue careers teaching in elementary or high schools. We also offer several Masters of Education, including those in Curriculum and Instruction, Educational Administration, Multilingual and Multicultural Education, Special Education, Reading, Literacy and Learning, as well as a Doctor of Education and Educational Leadership program that is a partnership between UCSD and CSUSM. Our School of Nursing is led by Dr. Tom Olson. The School of Nursing offers a traditional Bachelor of Science in Nursing, an LVN to BSN pathway, a fully online RN to BSN pathway, an accelerated Bachelor of Science in Nursing for students who have already earned their first bachelor's degree, and a Master of Science in Nursing. Our Department of Kinesiology, led by Dr. Paul Sturr, offers a Bachelor of Science in Kinesiology, accelerated Bachelor of Science in Kinesiology, and a Master of Science in Kinesiology. Our Department in Human Development, led by Dr. Teru Toyokawa, offers a Bachelor of Arts in Human Development. Our Speech and Language and Pathology Department, led by Dr. Lori Heisler, offers a Bachelor of Science in Speech-Language Pathology, a post-baccalaureate preparation program, including prerequisites for the Master of Science in Speech-Language Pathology. The post-baccalaureate program is one where students can complete the prerequisites for application to the Master of Science. Our Department of Social Work, led by Dr. Blake Beecher, offers a Master of Social Work. And our Department of Public Health, led by Dr. Deborah Christon, offers a Master of Public Health. Next, we'll talk about some tips for working with new CEHHS students. We encourage CEHHS students to get involved on campus and utilize the services available. You can encourage them by emphasizing how important it is to be connected to campus, as well as to connect with faculty in their program and participate in class. Talk to them about you and your experience as a student. What faculty have you gotten to know? What tips do you have for students to be successful? Encourage students to use their degree planner and schedule assistant. These are important tools, as you know, not only for degree planning and staying on track to complete the requirements of your major, but also as tools for the university in order to offer courses for students when they need them. Also reassure students that it is okay to ask for help. Even if you're working with a transfer student who's already been to college, it can often be a transition period from going to a community college to a four-year university. Encourage students that many people here on campus are here as a resource, and we just need to hear from them in order to put them on the pathway to success. Advising students on general topics is also a very helpful way that you can assist students this summer. One caveat, though, advising more complicated issues such as impacted programs, major requirements, and unusual circumstances should be referred to the appropriate advisor. Lots of times transfer students come to the university with very complex backgrounds, with very complex transfer credits, and need specific expertise to help them determine the best pathway through their major. In terms of impaction, this is where there are more applicants than there are spots in the major. Kinesiology and nursing are both impacted programs, so it is best to refer those to CEHHS Student Services for more information on access to the major. Last but not least, let them know that they are Cougar first and foremost, and that we welcome them to not only the college, but to CSUSM. Now let's test your knowledge. Thank you so much for listening today. We are so excited for you to work with our CEHHS students this summer. If you have any further questions or would like continued guidance, please contact me either by email or phone. You can also contact me on Teams. Thanks, OTeam leaders. See you this summer.